Hi all, before I present what media and tools are used in presentation, so I will introduce myself first. Okay, my name is Nisha Laksmi Borta Gaul, majoring Digital Information System Telkom University in Bandung. Okay, that's all my self-introduction. Now I'm going to tell you what I'm going to presentation or present. That's all my presentation. There are several important points that I will convey, namely the media and those used for multimedia presentation. There are four presentations. The first is video, the second is animation, the third is sound and audio, the fourth or the last is navigation. Types of presentation aid tools. Number one, visual, overhead transparency, slide, handouts, white or blackboards. The second, audio, cassette tapes, compact disc. The third, audiovisual, video tapes, forms, computer media. Well-known presentation software tools. Number one, PowerPoint, where the PowerPoint are used to tell audience or listeners that will be presented. The second is Google Slides, which displays the slides that have been made and which will be displayed. The third, Keynote, and the fourth, Lightning Slides. Selecting audio and visual aid source, time and budget, audience preference, site and location of audience, and the last, facilities and equipment. How to design effective multimedia presentation. Number one, make a plan. Number two, make a scenario. Number three, select the techniques. Number four, don't forget to practice. Okay guys, that is the presentation that I can deliver. If the pleasure and there is a wrong word, I'm sorry. Thank you.